Welcome. In today's guide, I'll put you through on how to use iPhone internet data on Android phone. Okay. Take for example, you have internet subscription on your iPhone and you want to use it on Android because you don't have internet data on your Android. So follow me as I put you through on how you can do this. Okay, here are my two devices. This is an iPhone and this is an Android. All right. So let me unlock them. Okay. Okay. On my iPhone, I have to enable the hotspot feature, and on my Android, I have to enable the Wi-Fi. So we take them step by step. Okay. Then I will swipe down from the top right. Okay. Okay. You can see by default this data is turned off. All right. Let me bring it closer. So for me to turn it on, I'll tap on it. You can see it has changed to green color. All right. Then the next step is to press and hold on this. Okay. That's the connectivity icon. Once you do that, you see all these features. All right. Then one of the options there is personal hotspot. Tap on it. Okay. So once you tap this, it's already enabled here. You will see that it will be made available to all other devices around you to see. Okay. So let me get back to this. My Android. So look at my Android here. So on my Android, I will swipe down from the top. Okay. Then one of the options here is Wi-Fi. Look at it here. Let me put it. You can see Wi-Fi there. So I'll tap on Wi-Fi and tap and hold on it. Okay. Okay. This now has started scanning to discover some devices whose hotspot is turned on around me. Okay. So let me check if it has discovered my iPhone. Okay, you can see the option here. One of the options here is Uzo iPhone. All right, that's a Uzo GTech iPhone. All right, so I'll tap on it. Now it demands the password, the Wi-Fi password of my iPhone. Okay, so I will type it. I don't want to tell you so, but I'll type it. Okay. 2020. Am I telling you? No. Okay, once I type the password, I will tap the confirm button, okay? And we have it connected, okay? So from now, if I want to start using the internet right now on my phone, I can use the internet, I can use browser, any browser, I can go to Facebook, I can go to Instagram, I can go to any website of my choice, okay? But as I'm doing that, what is being consumed is the data contained in my iPhone. It's as simple as that. Okay, these are just the steps you need to take to use your iPhone data on any Android device, okay? So if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button for me, all right? Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already and leave a comment. See you next time.